So you want to hire and you want to use appointment setter in 2026. Well, the thing is that most people are switching to AI appointment setters. There are no human appointment setters anymore. Well, that's a lie. There are human appointment setters, but it's just more of them are switching to AI appointment setters. Why? Because it's easy to hire them, right? You can use them immediately. They work 24/7. They have instant response time. They can handle multiple different unlimited conversations. No salary commissions, no sick days, right? They have consistent script delivery without emotional swings. They can be integrated directly with CRM and obviously all the other things right here. Now, in terms of human appointment setters, right, they have limited working hours. You need to do a lot of HR. You need to, hire them, find them. Performance inconsistency, obviously, because of the emotional spikes and stuff like that. And you need to train them. They can get tired, distracted, demotivated. It requires training and management, as I said, and they cannot handle large volumes simultaneously. So usually what's happening is a lot of people that have businesses, they have hundreds different messages every single day, and they need at least 5 to 10 different appointment setters in human form, right? So in this case, you need an AI appointment setter. Now, how can you actually hire and use an AI appointment setter? Well, you don't actually need to hire them. You have AppointWise, which is a platform that integrates with SMS, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. And you can integrate with all major messaging platforms via Go High Level CRM. So AppointWise works like this. You go in AppointWise, you create an account, you connect it to Go High Level. By the way, we did a lot of tutorials on this, so if you want to check it out, check them out on the channel. And then what you do is you go to AI agents and you create your own AI appointment setter. Now here, you can use a copilot to create your own AI appointment setter by just going in, create new AI, and it will ask questions based on your business and then build your own AI appointment setter. How this looks like is if you go here in your configuration, you can configure your entire prompts, your initial message delay, objection handling, qualification priority, creativity, and conversations right here, such as follow-ups as well, and configurations for the calendar. Now, why AppointWise is a good AI appointment setter? It's not only good because it can handle multiple different conversations at the same time, it's good because it's sales oriented. Plus, as you can see right here, you can integrate Go High Level Calendar, which makes you reduce friction. Why? Because in order for AI appointment setter to book a call, usually a human would need to send a calendar and then the calendar link, and then the leads would go through the calendar link. But in this way, it automatically books to your Go High Level CRM, and everything is integrated in one platform. So this is why this is such a powerful move. Then you also have your knowledge base and your tasks that you can automate right here. After the appointment is done, you can automate them in this particular workflow. So there are a lot of different ways how you can set this up. I've built this multiple different times on the channel, so make sure to check out the channel for more videos just like this. And also, if you want us to build an AI appointment setter for you, we can build it for you at a one-time price. So make sure to book a call below if you want to be in line for that specific done for you service. Now, obviously, as I said, hiring and using appointment setters is past. Right now, we are hiring and using AI appointment setters. So if you don't want to be behind, then comment down below and start using this particular platform. And yeah, if you have any comments, as I said, comment below. I would be able to answer them all, and we'll see you in the next video.